Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Eddy Gordo in Tekken 8. Eddy Gordo is a dynamic character known for his fluid capoeira style, making him a challenging opponent to face. His strength lies in his ability to switch between various stances, creating unpredictable attack patterns. You'll want to focus on mastering these transitions to keep your opponent guessing and maintain constant pressure throughout the match. We'll cover his core moves and strategies to help you dominate. Eddy's game revolves around his stance transitions, particularly between his standing and handstand positions. The handstand stance, often entered with down back +4, opens up many of his most potent low attacks and evasive maneuvers. You can also transition into negativa from handstand, which is excellent for quickly evading high attacks and repositioning. Mastering these fluid movements is crucial for maximizing his offensive and defensive capabilities. To maintain offensive pressure, Eddy relies heavily on his quick, deceptive low attacks. Moves like his down forward +3 are excellent for chipping away at your opponent's health and forcing them to block low. Combine these with mid and high attacks from various stances to create effective mix-ups, making it difficult for your opponent to predict your next move. His rage art, Capoeira Cyclone, delivers significant damage and can turn the tide of a round. Eddy isn't just about offense. His defensive capabilities are equally strong. His unique evasive slides and rolls allow him to sidestep and duck under many attacks, creating openings for counterattacks. After successfully evading, immediately follow up with a quick combo to punish your opponent. Additionally, his parry, executed with back forward +1/+2, can reverse an opponent's attack, giving you a significant advantage in close-range encounters.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.